This is what gummy candies are really made from. Disgusting. Hey. We need to talk. It's about your gummy snack problem. I get it, I've been there. I know how those juicy bears and worms conjure up memories of childhood. But that warmth comes with quite a high cost. Those gummies are terrible for you. They always have been. A single serving 18 gummy bears contains as much as 22 grams of sugar. That's 5.5 teaspoons, or 58% of your daily sugar intake. Eating too much sugar, particularly the added variety in gummy bears, leads to a barrage of health problems. That includes cavities, an overactive appetite, weight gain, diabetes, high blood pressure and heart disease. Sugar is also highly addictive, which is why you're likely totally unfazed and still craving gummy bears right now. Don't worry, I'm going to change that, not with a 12-step program but with an in-depth look at the horrors of the gummy trade. What if I told you that, for you to enjoy those bites of bliss, this needs to happen? Gelatin, as you likely know, is the substance that gives gummy candy its texture. But did you know that, for you to sink your teeth into that texture, hundreds of pig carcasses need to be blowtorched and split in half? Workers will then strip their tendons, skin, ligaments and bones. They'll boil those components and dry them out to produce this. Belgian filmmaker Alina Kneepkens shot these images for the show Overeaten. Of the project, she said, "I got the assignment to direct some reversed audiovisual stories showing the production of some of our food. I saw quite a few slaughterhouses and examples of both industrial and artisan food production. A true eye-opener. Have a look at Alina's full footage startling images from the production of jelly candy." Other products that contain gelatin. If you're grossed out by the footage above, you might want to stay clear of these as well. Marshmallows, Jell-O, Skittles, Starburst, Trident gum, M&Ms, Hostess cupcakes. Of course, you'll also want to stay away from using gelatin in your own cooking. Instead, use organic agar. Agar is a vegan gelatin substitute derived not from animal remains but seaweed. It produces a similar texture without all the ickiness. What are your thoughts after learning the truth behind gummy bears and gelatin? Will you stop eating them? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.